So yan, boiling na. Lagay na natin yung pasta.
Welcome back to my YouTube channel.
I'm bold!
My dad is making some yummy carbonara. Yummy. Yum. Look at that.
So yan yung mga ingredients. Okay. Makulo na siya. Chop na rin natin yung spam, onion and garlic. So yan, na-drain na natin yung pasta. Kumuha na tayo konting pasta water. Start na tayo mag-gisa. Prito muna natin yung luncheon meat. Medyo toasted lang natin ang konti. Lagay na natin yung ating all-purpose cream. 350 ml lang. Add na natin yung ating pasta water. Konti lang. Let it simmer. Naglagay na ako ng salt and pepper, then parmesan cheese. So yan, nilagay na natin ang ating pasta. Tayo na lang natin mag-thicken yung sauce. Nalagay ko na rin yung quick melt cheese. Tayo na lang natin siya mag-thicken. Then, ready to serve ang ating quick merienda. Ang ating quick carbonara merienda. Kain na!
What's that? Oh, you eat na.
It's spam.
What?
It's spam.
Mom? Oh, you taste.
There's a lot of fences, a lot of cameras. They look extreme, but with the range of kids we have, sometimes it's necessary.
How is it?
Good.
In my experience, that oftentimes when you give kids boundaries,